Rhätische Railway unites the people of Graubünden and fascinates guests from around the world. Thanks to contributions by our proprietary owners, the Canton of Graubünden and the Swiss Confederation, we connect Switzerland's largest canton with a 384-kilometre-long rail network, safely, efficiently and reliably. We pride ourselves as a trustworthy partner for both tourism and the economy. Our achievements are impressive, transferring 10 million passengers, over 600,000 tons of goods and 500,000 vehicles per year. This makes our railway the most valued transportation system in Graubünden. We are the economic, social and tourist lifeline for locals, guests and freight customers. 1,500 employees ensure that our trains run punctually and effectively every day and throughout all seasons, making the Rhätische Railway one of Graubünden's largest employers. Every day we carry thousands of commuters from the centres of Chur, Landquart, Davos and St. Moritz from their homes and back. A highly coordinated timetable together with the Federal Railways and partners from the cantonal public transport system enables passengers to travel comfortably and punctually to work, school or for shopping. An efficient customer information system keeps passengers up to date and informed of current special offers. Tickets can be purchased online, anywhere, anytime. Our modern train sets with low floor entry, wheelchair accessible lavatories and air-conditioned carriages offer our passengers optimal comfort. Faithful commuters also benefit from the advantages of customized rail passes. Since the opening of the Verena line, motorists can travel from Prättigau to the Engadine or vice versa in just 18 minutes. It has become indispensable to the inhabitants of the Engadine Valley, Valmuster and Samnaun, and also for numerous visitors. They are won over by the attractive operating services and excellent fares system. This is apparent from the high numbers. Around 500,000 vehicles use this fast and winter-proof connection every year. The Rhätische Railway is what drives tourism in Graubünden, and tourism is of course highly significant to the Rhätische Railway. Its uniquely cross-linked network throughout the Graubünden Alps means numerous guests choose the Rhätische Railway for a visit to the National Park Museum, to one of the many spas, or simply for a round trip, stopping at castles, cultural sites and other attractions. The motto is always, "The journey is the reward." Step by step, we are modernizing our fleet. The new train sets are designated to different lines where guests and locals can enjoy the highest comfort while admiring the breathtaking alpine scenery. Photogenic and telegenic compositions are not only popular among railway enthusiasts. Clear favorites are of course our two world-renowned panorama trains, the Bernina Express and Glacier Express. The Bernina Express takes you from glaciers to palms and connects Chur, Davos and St. Moritz with Poschiavo and Tirano in Italy. On its impressive journey through the mountains and valleys, it overcomes dramatic differences in altitude, from 584 meters above sea level in Chur to Ospizio Bernina, situated 2,253 meters above sea level, and down to Tirano at 429 meters. Towering viaducts, bewildering helical tunnels, and fascinating landscapes appear minute by minute. For some years now, we have been running our panorama trains for Italian guests traveling from Tirano to St. Moritz. The Trenino Rosso delights a constantly increasing number of guests from northern Italy. The Glacier Express links the world-famous tourist hubs of St. Moritz and Davos with Zermatt. The slowest express train in the world takes around 8 hours to cross the Alps from east to west. Passengers from all over the world traveling along this spectacular route experience the best of what the realms of scenery and railway technology have to offer. Freshly prepared meals, the tilting wine glass and the legendary brandy bar are also exclusive features of the Glacier Express. In 2008, our Albula and Bernina line became only the third railway in the world to be placed on UNESCO's World Heritage List. The Rhätische Railway in the Albula-Bernina landscapes is a pioneering task in modern engineering and architectural design based on a unique interplay with nature, culture and technology. The Albula-Bernina hiking route provides an outstanding opportunity to enjoy the railway and landscape from a different viewpoint. The Rhätische Railway efficiently transports both people and goods. 1,500 proud employees make their individual contributions to its running. Each and every one plays their part in ensuring that passengers and freight customers feel at ease and receive the best possible service. The welder in the workshop, the train driver, the friendly sales assistant, the track layer, the CAD draftsman, the engineer, the attentive train conductor, the leading executives and employees just doing their job all ensure that we continue to fulfill our task as a modern, safe and fascinating railway. Our motto, full commitment to the customer's welfare. The Rhätische Railway is also popular among trainees and apprentices. In close collaboration with Login, our professional partner for further education in the world of transport, we offer over 100 apprentices an attractive training position. Along 384 kilometers of track, our red trains now pass through almost 60 kilometers of tunnels. Around a third of our rail network lies above 1,500 meters. Embedded in the wild natural landscape, our railway lines and civil engineering works contribute to the charm of Graubünden. Most of the 616 bridges and 115 tunnels are over a century old. Over 150 million Swiss francs are invested annually in the upkeep and modernization of our infrastructure. We've developed innovative maintenance procedures in order to standardize construction cycles and lower costs. That way we can send out highly qualified personnel to ensure that bridges, tunnels and stations are in their best condition and ready for the future. Along the journey, the traveller scarcely notices the immense amount of work behind the construction and maintenance of an individual coach or locomotive. And that is just the way it should be. The passenger should be suitably relaxed to enjoy his ride with the Rhätische Railway without having to worry about technical details. Any company that wishes to survive in Europe, and particularly in the railway nation of Switzerland as an attraction and tourist railway, commuter or freight railway, must provide ultra-modern carriages for passengers and freight customers. Our main workshops in Landquart have gained an outstanding reputation well beyond the borders of Switzerland as a result of numerous noteworthy achievements in the realms of maintenance and in the manufacture of vehicles for other operations at home and abroad. In 2004, for example, we were responsible for the final assembly of multi-unit trains for the Olympic Games in Greece, and we will continue to promote the export to other national markets in the future. This is one of the main objectives of our Technical Centre of Excellence for the Rhätische Railway in Landquart. Each year, over 600,000 tons of goods reach their destination via the Rhätischen Railway, safely, punctually, efficiently, and above all, ecologically, day in, day out, and in all weather conditions. This considerable volume in rail freight transport saves Graubünden, the canton of mountains and mountain passes, around 100,000 truck journeys per year. Whether it's round timber, building materials, foodstuffs, drinks, materials for recycling or mineral oil products, the Graubünden Freight Railway, as an important link between rail and road, transports all these goods and much more. With the ongoing renewal of our existing rolling stock, with the logistical adaptations to market requirements, and with the advancement of combined traffic thanks to intelligent transport systems, freight traffic remains an important key element of the Rhätischen Railway, and us a reliable transport partner for the canton of Graubünden. There is scarcely a railway with as wide a range of vehicles. From steam trains from the beginnings of the Rhätischen Railway through to splendid compositions dating from the Belle Epoque of the 1930s to modern air-conditioned panoramic carriages and the latest generation of powerful express trains. The Rhätischen Railway caters for every taste. With our impressive fleet of rolling stock, railway enthusiasts, families, associations, nature lovers, bon vivants and adventurers get their money's worth. Some enjoy the journey to the fullest and treat themselves to a freshly prepared menu in the restaurant car, while others combine their journey with the open yellow observation coach and a hike along the railway adventure trail Albula or along Lago Bianco on the Bernina line. You can also combine it with a visit to the Albula Railway Museum in Bergün. Summer excursions on the Rhätischen Railway are a must for many visitors, and in winter they are a welcome sports program alternative to cross-country and downhill skiing. In fact, it's a colourful palette of trains that draw their circles in and through Graubünden. And last but not least, the new Alvra articulated trains are causing a sensation. A successful contrast to the contemporary railway witnesses of a bygone era. The Rhätischen Railway is indeed a fascinatingly different way to travel.